guys, this is Mandeep Burmi in Edmonton, Alberta. So in this video we're going to be driving in Edmonton, Alberta, and cover some of the driving rules here. We will look at left turns, right turns, residential area, lane change. So car is already on, seat belt on, mirrors are good, so we are good to go. Now I'm going to shift into drive, and then I signal left shoulder check. So if you're parking, like if you're parked on the right hand side, before you start moving, you have to indicate that you're going to start moving. All right, so you want to signal left and left shoulder check to make sure it's clear. And you also want to maintain distance from the parked car, so you should have at least 1 meter, okay? So about 3 feet. All right, so we're going to be turning right on the next street here. So we see a stop sign. I'm going to signal right, shoulder check to the right side, and now I'm looking for a sidewalk. If you see a sidewalk, then you stop before the sidewalk, but if you don't see a sidewalk, then you can stop before you enter on the in the intersection. So and it has to be a complete stop, okay? If you're doing a rolling stop, that's an automatic fail, and you want to go in the first available lane. All right, so you always go in your first lane first. So now we see another green light here. We are turning right, so I got my right blinker on. We got a green light. There's no pedestrian crossing, so that means we are good to go. Now after your turns, then you look for a speed limit sign. So here we don't see any speed limit sign, so that means it's maximum 50 kilometers. So now we see a crosswalk. On the crosswalks, you want to check on both sides and make it obvious to your examiner. Your examiner want to see that your head is moving when you're checking. Traffic lights, we're going to be turning lefts. Sorry, not on this light. We will go right on this light. So we got a green light here. There's no pedestrian crossing, so that means we are good to go. Now we see a speed limit sign here. It says maximum 50 kilometers. So I'm looking at my speedometer. So if you go over the speed limit in your driving test, that's automatic fail. If you're driving too slow, that's automatic fail. Now on the next traffic light, we can go left. So what I'm gonna do is I have to change lane. So here I see there is a car beside me. Now you're probably gonna see that car in the camera as well. And now I have a crosswalk, so I wanna focus more on the crosswalk at this time, because you should not be changing lane on the crosswalks. Now we can move over to the left side. So I'm gonna signal. I see another car here, so I'm still checking mirror, shoulder check, nobody in my blind spot, and then we move over to the left side. So let's do left turn at the traffic light. So I got my left blinker on. Light is green, there's no oncoming traffic, there's no pedestrian crossing, that means we are good to go. And now we have a parked car on the right hand side, so we can go in the left lane. Remember guys, this is a two-way street, but right now there's nobody coming from the front, right? There's no oncoming traffic, so I can drive on this side. I'm maintaining distance from the parked car. If you go too close to the parked car, that's also a possible automatic fail. Signal, shoulder check, pulling back to the right side, and now we see another parked car here, so we're gonna do left signal, left shoulder check, and then we pull out again. So we're gonna be turning right here, and this one is a yield sign, so that means you just want to slow down, okay? And then you check on both sides, looks clear, and then you're good to go. Because we are turning right, so that means I just need to check on the left hand side. All right, so now we see a warning sign here for the speed bump, and they're also suggesting that you should slow down to about 25 kilometers. So you want to read all the signs, okay? You want to read all the signs. So we're going to be turning next. So I got my right blinker on. We don't have a stop sign here, that means we are good to go, but you still want to be careful, just keep checking. All right, so we are in residential area here, and maximum speed limit here is 50 kilometers, and right now we are doing about 40 kilometers. All right, so I'm getting a phone call and I need to answer this phone, so I'm just gonna pull over to the right hand side. So that's it for this video guys, and thank you very much. Again, if you are in Alberta, give me a call or send me an email, and we will help you out with your driving test. All right, so thank you very much, and I will see you guys again.